Good morning, students. Today we start the new lesson, chapter 6, fundamental unit of life, cell. Okay, you studied in class 8 about the cell, so you know very well about the cell. About the same cell, little more we are going to study in this lesson. Okay, so our body is made up of so many cells. You know already. The next lesson you study about the tissues. Okay, so many cells together they make the tissues. Okay, so all the tissues together they make the organ. So all the organs together they make the body. Okay, one body structure they make. That means, for example, in a finger we have so many cells together they make one tissue, and all the tissues they make a organ. So here we can say one organ, eyes, or nose is one organ, eyes, or the skin, hands, legs, heart, so many are there organs. So all these organs together they make a body, one structure. So the first one is what? Cell. That is why we say fundamental unit of life. So the cell is the life for the body. Okay, so we observe this one. We have studied about the diversity in shape of a cell. All the cells shape is not same in our body, because you see our nose, eyes different. Eyes is different from nose. Nose shape is different from the hand, leg, different shapes. That is why diversity means different. We have the different shapes of cells and size, different size of cells, both unicellular and multicellular. Uni means single. UNI, you write in your textbook. Uni means what? Single. Single cell. And multi means what? MULTY, multi, many. Some organisms, some living organisms are unicells. We can see them only one cell. Like for example, amoeba, paramecium. They we can see only in the under the microscope. Okay. So we also studied that in the year human beings are what? Multicellular. We have many cells, not single cell. So in the year 1665, Robert Hooke gave the name cell to those compartments that he observed in a thin section of cork. Let us study the arrangement and function of cells with the help of some activities. Okay, so first, who gave the name for this cell? Who found out? Robert Hooke. In which year? 1665. Now we observe the different types of cells. Okay, different types of cells. So here we are going to see cells in the matchstick, rheolith, ice cream spoon, red ink microscope. That means first activity we are going to see with the matchstick. Okay, and matchstick one activity, and with the rheolith one activity. For this we need all these things. First we observe the observing cells in a section of matchstick. You will do practical for the cheek cells. Inside the cheek you take the cells and see under the microscope, and in the leaf, from behind the leaf, cell wall, you remove the cell wall and you observe the cells in the cell wall. Okay, so everything you will be observing. Now this is the, for that what to do this practical, what are the things we need is blade, slide, cover slip, matchstick, rheolith, ice cream spoon, red ink and microscope. I will post a video about this, how to do this one. So cells are arranged like this. You see in this, so many cells are there. Okay, like this cells are arranged like this. Small cells together. So they will make together near. They will make one tissue. So this tissue can become one organ. So like this cells are arranged. You see how the cells are arranged. So this is the way cells are arranged. Next one you see, observing the outer layer of a cells of a leaf. The leaf behind the cell wall observed. In the behind the leaf cell wall, what is there? Stomata. This shape you will see in the practical. And another one, this is the cheek cells. In our cheek, cheek means you know CHEEK, cheek. So this cheek, inside the cheek we have the cells like this. But this black color is called as a nucleus. So inside of each body, every cell has the nucleus. So this nucleus only carry the genes. Genes means that carries from parents to us. So this genes only gives us the structure like our father, mother, like that, okay, or like our grandparents. So these are the genes important. We study everything detailed way about the cell. Now you see here different kinds of cells are here. This is the nerve cell. You see the nerve cell? So like this, so many cells. This is only one cell. Okay. So our nerve cell, just they have drawn the diagram big way. So like this, so many cells together they make one nerve cell. So this is the muscle cell. Only one cell they are showing. Like this, one muscle, so many muscle cells together they make one organ. Like this is the shape of the bone cell. Okay. So muscle cell, this one straighted, smooth, and then you see here cardiac, heart, sperm, ovum. Sperm is the reproductive organ of the male. Ovum is the reproductive organ of the female, which are responsible to bring the new life for the reproduction, to give the new child. So these are the cells of the blood cells. Single cells, all these so many cells together they make one organ. The cells of glands, okay, different types of cells. In our body all these cells are present. Okay, so now we study about the no matter how different cells appear, be they unicellular organisms or multicellular forms, all life process. So whether it is a unicellular or multicellular, but all the life processes means like digestion, releasing the energy, respiration, breathing in, breathing out, and the reproduction means what? Reproduce again. Means again, producing means producing again, giving the new fruits, new flowers, a new child, new baby, new life. All this is called as reproduction. Transportation means after digestion the blood is transported to all parts of the body and food is transported to given to all parts of the body. So excretion, the waste food is sent outside. Respiration, breathing and breathing out. Waste food or urine, wastewater sends outside is the excretion. And nutrition is the food. After digestion the nutrition is also sent to all parts of the body, and the release of the energy takes place in the cell. So in the whether it is a multi-cells or unicell, single cell, all the activities of our body inside taking place in the cell. All these activities, nutrition, respiration, excretion, transport and reproduction, everything is taking inside the cell. That is, all these are the life processes. Respiration means breathing, excretion means sending out waste material through water or through solid food, and transport means transportation of the blood and all the nutrition to all parts of the body. Reproduction, means again producing means producing the new flowers, fruits, or new baby, new life. All these things are activities are taking place in the cell.